Are you wondering how to delete someone from Asana? Maybe you've accidentally added someone to a project or task and need to remove them. Don't worry, I've got you covered with a quick and simple guide. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip on managing your workspace even more efficiently. First off, let me mention that if you're new to Asana, you can try it for free using the link below, and there are some exclusive bonuses for you when you sign up through that link. Now, let's dive right into deleting someone from Asana. To start, you'll want to open your Asana workspace and navigate to the project or task where the person you want to remove is involved. If you're looking to delete someone from the whole workspace, make sure you're in the right space, not just a single task. Next thing, when you're in the project or task, go ahead and find the person you want to remove from the collaborator list. For projects, this is usually displayed at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a little icon with a team member's picture or initials. Click on that. Once you're in the collaborator section, hover over their name, and you should see an option to either remove or delete, depending on the exact settings. The third thing, if you're working with a task, the process is a little bit different. Find the task that the person is assigned to, then head over to the assignee section, usually located at the top of the task details. You'll see a little drop-down next to their name. Simply click on it and select Remove Assignee to take them off the task. This is great if someone no longer needs to be involved in the work, but you don't want to remove them from the whole project. Now, the fourth thing, if they're a member of the project but not directly assigned, go to your project settings. Here, you can see all members involved and remove any person from the project entirely by clicking on their name and selecting the Remove option. Lastly, if you need to delete someone entirely from your workspace, that's a different level of access. To do this, head over to your workspace settings. From there, go to the Members section, find the person you want to remove, and click Remove from Workspace. Keep in mind, only admins or workspace owners will have this level of control. And there you have it. Removing someone from Asana is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. If you want more tips on using Asana efficiently, check out the description below for an exclusive extended free trial available only through the link. Thanks for watching!